Forming a trusting and positive partnership takes effort and time. And unfortunately, it doesn't just happen overnight. Below are some habits that will help create and maintain a happy and healthy twosome. Communication. Communication is key. It is one of the most important qualities of a healthy relationship. However, not everyone knows how to communicate properly, or even communicate at all. Happy and healthy couples have this game down. They vocalize their love for one another, saying, "I love you," often and offering compliments. They also discuss the bad instead of sweeping issues under the rug. In order to move forward and grow, you two need to be able to truly talk about your feelings. No matter how awkward or uncomfortable it feels, it will make for a long-lasting and fulfilling relationship. Respect. Respecting your partner comes in many forms. Maintaining a joyful relationship means respecting your partner's time, heart, character, and trust. However, there are many things people do in relationships that can break down respect, like name-calling, talking negatively about the other to friends or family, and/or threatening to leave the relationship. Quality time, not quantity. It's all about quality over quantity. It doesn't matter how much time you and your partner spend together. The most important part is about the quality of this time. It's fine to zone out together and enjoy distractions, but it's crucial to make sure you two are still engaging and spending quality time together to maintain a deep connection. Time apart. Spending time together with your partner is important. But just as important is spending time apart. Being able to do your own things and remain independent is vital. When couples spend too much time together, it can create an unhealthy codependence. Maintaining healthy boundaries and some autonomy will make for a long-lasting partnership. Appreciation. Often, we forget to let other people in our lives know that we appreciate them. We think it, but we don't remember to show it. This occurs in our romantic relationships as well. Show your special someone that you love him or her. This could be done with words, cards, flowers, acts of kindness, or more. Positive versus negative. Sometimes, we get caught up in the negative. We hate our jobs, are annoyed with our friends, and our boyfriend or girlfriend is getting on our last nerve. Nobody is perfect, and that includes our significant other. So instead of focusing on the bad, let's make a conscious effort to look at the good. Choose your battles. There are arguments to be had in every relationship. It's crucial to bring issues to the forefront, and work through the hard times together. Choose your battles wisely, because people in happy and healthy relationships do. Sex. Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's also talk about how important it is in cultivating a flourishing relationship. Sex is simple. The more you have it, the more you want it. The other side of that is true as well. The less you have it, the less you want it, and, unfortunately, the less you'll feel connected to your partner. Keep your sex life alive and interesting. Spicing it up is not just meant for the kitchen. No comparisons. We often compare our lives to those of others, what jobs people have, their homes, their clothes. And with the help of social media, we tend to compare our relationships as well. The happiest couples tend not to see what happens in the lives of other couples. They just look at what's going on in their own home. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel in order to get it. Thank you.